All right.
Video.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Teresa. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candle, baby. He's like, I'm glad that everyone's singing at me.
Blow it out.
Blow.
Go. He needs to be closer.
Let's get that.
Blow.
Blow it out. Yeah, it's hot.
He said hot.
Blow it out.
Blow on the candle. Get the fire out. Don't touch it. Ah! Don't let him touch it. Oh my god.
Here, we'll blow it together. 1, 2.
Yay!
I think he's on that movie, like the Green Album.
I know. Oh baby, you shouldn't have let him touch it.
Oh, stop.
No, that's his.
Here, taste it, Isa.
He's like, is it gonna burn me?
No, it's not hot. Come on.
And he never ate cake again.
I know, right?
Was it this finger right here?
Oh, baby.
Oh, you didn't get a knife? Yeah, I'll get it.
No, oh, sorry, yeah. Do you want to grab plates too, babe? Just. There's no more. There's just grab the glass plates, I guess. It's fine.
He's gonna get the confetti off of it.
Mmm.
I think so. Everyone? No. I did bring one for you. It's a bikini. You like bikinis, right?
Oh, yeah.